Hi everyone, welcome to phase 2 of Remote Learning Assembly. We hope you are keeping well and safe. This is how phase 2 of remote learning looks like. You will continue learning from your Google Classrooms. This means that all live sessions and assignments will be done in your Google Classroom. Take note of the time set for the live sessions so that you do not miss out. Avoid joining lessons late. In the last phase, we noted with disappointment that some of you were joining your virtual classes very late. You need to stay disciplined, boys and girls, in order for you to get the best out of the lessons. Avoid missing lessons. But if you do, please inform your teacher through the Google Classroom stream section. Look out for recorded lessons, which teachers will put in the stream. These will be helpful in case you miss out a lesson due to unforeseen circumstances. Be formal during lessons. Remember, boys and girls, that you are at work whenever you are in class. This includes dressing appropriately for class, addressing the teacher and your fellow pupils properly and politely as you would normally do when in school. Do your work promptly each day and avoid late submission of your work. If you have any challenges, please feel free to get in touch with your teacher, or better still, put your challenges in the stream part of your Google Classroom and your teacher will assist you. We want all of you to enjoy your work during this phase. Weekly assemblies. Realizing that there were information gaps in phase 1 of remote learning, we have decided to bring back assemblies to help you remember the school weekly routines. Please take note of the following. Reception will have the assembly on Monday at 10 hours. Grade 1 and 2 will have the assembly on Monday at 8 hours. Grade 3 and 4 will have the assembly on Wednesday at 10:25 hours. Grade 5 and 6 will have the assembly on Tuesday at 10:45 hours. And finally, grade 8, 10 and 11 will have the assembly on Monday at 10:25 hours. Your teachers will give you guidance on how to join the assemblies on Google Classroom. The next announcement is to do with timetables. Boys and girls, your class timetables were emailed to you in phase 1. They are also updated or uploaded on the school website under remote learning. Look out for the subjects for each day. The school calendar for phase 2. Please look out for the school calendar for phase 2, which has been emailed to your parents. A lot more activities have been planned for you, such as Reading Motivation Week, the Christmas Carol Service, and many more. We hope you can actively take part in all the planned activities. Remedial Lessons. Remember that last time we did not provide remedial lessons. Remedial lessons for selected students will start on Monday, September 7th. Parents of selected children will be communicated to. During these lessons, teachers will be able to attend to you and your individual needs. Extracurricular activities. Boys and girls, in this phase, we will have extracurricular activities to begin on Tuesday, September 8th. These will take place on Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons, starting at 14 hours for primary section and 15-20 hours for the secondary section. Google Classrooms specific to your clubs will be created. We hope you still remember your club names. Please sign up and enjoy the activities. Holiday assignments. Boys and girls, at the close of phase 1, you were given holiday assignments. May I take this opportunity to thank the boys and girls who have already done their work. A good number of you have already submitted your work. Well done. We are encouraging those of you yet to submit the work to quickly do so before the close of this week, Friday, September 4th. online Christmas carol service. This year's Christmas carol service will be done virtually. The good thing is that other family members are free to join you instead of your classmates. More details will be sent to you as the phase progresses. Finally, boys and girls, remember that remote learning calls for self-discipline. If you want to benefit fully from the remote learning, you need to push yourselves. I wish you all the best during this phase of remote learning phase 2. Stay home and God bless you all. Thank you.